This is the Sony ZV-1. Let me show you the camera, tips and tricks, and an actual demo of the real footage. Right now I'm shooting on a iPhone 13. Okay, and here's the actual footage from the ZV-1. You can see it's looking crystal clear. So the Sony ZV-1 is my perfect hybrid type shooter. It can do professional to just fun little kind of vlogging or whatever hobby type video. It has a flippable view screen that you just saw there. It has an automatic shut off that you just saw. Power button will turn it right back on. And if you want to turn it off, it's really fun. You just close that and it's going to auto turn off. Let's flip this thing around. It's on a tripod that doesn't come with it right now. So you get all these buttons on the back. When you first buy it, make sure to look up a tutorial on all the best settings to set. That's going to really make your experience much better. You have your viewfinder over here that you can flip around again like this, any way you want, which is really convenient, and even at angles like this. And you could flip it back around here. You're gonna have your menu that you can set up all your settings, your FN button for all these different modes. You have your playback where you can see all your footage. You have your delete button, which you can customize any of these buttons. Then you have your your zoom. That's how far it zooms. It actually zooms surprisingly far. And then you have some other buttons up here. That was your zoom, and also your shutter for taking pictures, which if you're in movie mode, you can't take a picture. That's what I'm in right now. Here's your record button. You just press that to start recording, and you'll see record over here, as well as a red light to know that you're recording if you're on the other side. It also shoots up to 4K. Let's stop recording. You have your audio levels there too, which can be really nice. It shoots 120 frames per second at HD, which is super slow motion, which I love. And then it also shoots up to 30 frames per second in 4K. So really nice if you want to get some really high frame rate, high quality footage that you can crop into and or just kind of future proof yourself. So you can see 30 and 24 frames per second at 4K. It has tons of different menu options here that you can do all sorts of cool stuff. And again, you're gonna wanna look up a tutorial for that, not hard at all. It has this mic up here with a little furry cap. So on board, it records actually surprisingly good audio. And then on the bottom, it has, let me take this off here. It has this, let me turn this off. Really easy to get out of this battery. All you need to do is click that little clicker, and then the battery's right there. You just click that little blue clip, or the memory card's right there as well. So that's really nice. On top of that, it features this, you can mount other things to it. So this clip and this cage didn't come with it, but what I really love is you can customize and upgrade the ZV-1 as you get more advanced or want different features. So I was able to add this grip that I'm using, as well as this clip, so I can easily put this on this tripod. Plates like that are really convenient. Almost done. I want to show you the quick, just to show off like the actual video footage from the ZV-1. I've had so much fun with this camera and truly love it. One other thing, there's a mini USB port, an audio port, and a HDMI port on the side there. So as well as you can take this mic off, or this hot shoe thing for the mic, and upgrade to your own mic, as well as put a light or whatever you want on there. So this really is, in my opinion, one of the coolest, best small cameras I can put in my pocket, and I actually do that, as well as just like high quality. It's lasted me 2 years, I think I've had this now, and just like is a beast. Quality looks great. So I've loved the ZV-1. Let's switch over to the footage of the actual ZV-1. Okay, and here's the actual footage from the ZV-1. You can see it's looking crystal clear. Beautiful. This is in 4K. Obviously, Amazon's going to compress the footage a lot, but I think you'll see a big difference between my iPhone 13 Pro Max and this ZV-1 footage. You can tell for yourself. This is also the built-in audio that I'll use from the ZV-1, so you can hear that versus the iPhone and make your own decision. That's been my review for the Sony ZV-1. I hope you found that helpful.